These are the 4 NanoFlex horseshoes. These two are exactly the same size, 5 inches long by 5 inches wide. The only difference with this one, the Farrier makes 9 1/4 inch holes all around the outer edge, which makes it the glue-on shoe. The hoof is prepared the same way you would for nailing. Make a trace line of the hoof around the shoe. Cut the trace line, making the shoe a custom fit. Then put 1/4 inch thick adhesive from Vetech on the outside edge of the hoof. Place the shoe gently on the hoof. Do not press the shoe down. Leave 1/8 of an inch of the glue between the hoof and the shoe. Some of the glue will seep into the 9 holes. Put additional glue into each hole from the top of the shoe. This next shoe is the NanoFlex nail-on shoe with the polyurethane grab. The grab can be cut off if desired. Again, prepare the hoof the same way as you would for nailing. Trace and trim the same way. Use City Head No. 5 nails or PG nails. Put the first nail in the toe, then put 3 or 4 nails on both sides of the shoe. Then rasp the outside of the shoe and hoof. This third shoe is the NanoFlex flip-flop, which is 5.5 inches long and 5.5 inches wide. The toe is recessed to accept the metal tips. Pick the type of metal you will be using, either the full swedge, the 5/8 half round, or the Queen's plate with the grab. Trace and trim the same way. You can use any type of nails on this shoe. Put the first nail in the toe of the metal tip, then put 2 or 3 nails on both sides of the shoe. Rasp shoe and hoof. This last shoe is the same material except a different color and very large to fit all size hooves. Everything else is the same. Trace, trim, and nail using City Head No. 5 or PG nails. Also rasp the same way.